counting every hour. Seasons change, but I still feel the sun. And I can't go on without you. I need you more with every step I take. I wish just
Good morning people, welcome you all back to my channel. Day 2 of our ride to Agumbe. Right now we are in this Kundadri viewpoint here near to Agumbe. Let me check exactly. The Kundadri Shiva Betta near Agumbe, which is going up to the viewpoint. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. Here we go. My 2-step advice for you guys: do what you love what you do, stay happy, keep smiling. Cheers. Well, this is the Kundadri hill viewpoint, sunrise. There's a Jain temple here in the background. Also, check out the fog. So this is the place we stayed the night here at Agumbe. That's the place we stayed here at Agumbe. Time right now it's about 1 PM and we're heading to the backwaters of Sharavati river where we're staying for tonight, and then from there tomorrow heading back to Bangalore. Bit of off-roading here to reach this property. It's on the outskirts of Agumbe town. Hope you liked all the spots we covered here at Agumbe. And now we're heading to another new place in Karnataka. Explore Karnataka. So this is Agumbe town. They're building a new bridge. Small little town right here in the midst of the Western Ghats. That's where we had dinner here last night. Shabri Grand. So Sringeri is 25, Hornar 87, Chikmagalur 110. That side is the Agumbe Ghat, the viewpoint. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. And if you do like my video, do give me a thumbs up to show me your love. Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Stay tuned as we ride to the Sharavati river backwaters today, closer to Tirthahalli and Shivamoga. It's going to be about 2 hours of ride. Bogi Gunda, that's the waterfall we went last evening. That was on the right, if you noticed. So there's a bit of dark here right now as we head out of Agumbe. Explore new places, do new things, do things which excite you and make you happy. Always smile. Life is short, keep it simple. These are the ghats reaching up to Agumbe. This is not the Agumbe Ghat which goes down to the shore. This is much before that. All through the thick forest, the land of the king cobra, Sarpanaga, or whatever they call it in Canada. A lot of cobras around here, I heard. So much to see in Karnataka. I'm sure a lot of people don't explore the unexplored part of Karnataka. There is the regular Chikmagalur, Sakleshpur, Madikeri and surrounding areas. Northern part of Karnataka is beautiful. Sharavati river surrounding Kali river, all the Sathod, Magod Falls, Ankola. So much to see here in Karnataka. Of course the coastal Murdeshwara, Marvante. So the beautiful roads of Karnataka. This is through the forests of Western Ghats. We are going towards Tirthahalli right now, where Sharati river originates from. So today, being a Sunday, has very thin traffic and it's very chilled out to ride. No schools around here, no offices, nothing. So it's a pleasure to ride. Not much of tourist crowd too. And the twisties are beautiful. The 390 Adventure, my ride for today, performs brilliantly on these twisties. Check out the beautiful mountains of the Western Ghats, the hills, and of course the twisties. Paddy fields, all green all along. We are right now in March, the beginning of summer here in Karnataka, but still the weather in the afternoon is so beautiful. It's not at all hot to ride. A lot of cool breeze, a lot of greenery. That is the Malnad stretch for you. So Hariharapura that was. We're going towards Koppa right now. And there's a beautiful stretch of roads along the coastal Western Ghats. A lot of small streams and rivers along, and of course the mountains we try riding through. The beautiful roads all adds up to the experience of riding through Karnataka. Well, I think there's another small such stream. I'm not sure how much water would be there. That's the bridge. Check that. So we reached a property here at Jadhav Homestay. This is near to the Bhadra Dam here near Shivamogga, Tirthalli. Well, I will hope you like this entire log of mine here at Sharavati backwaters and the drone shots I just shot. Well, that's about it for day 2 of the ride to Agumbe and Sharavati backwaters. See you around in the next one. If you do like the video, give me a thumbs up. Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet. My Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Stay tuned until the next one. It's sayonara, adios and goodbye. Thank you very much for watching once again. Bye-bye. Would love to hear some feedback from you guys. If you have some positives, negatives, whatever it is, do write on the comment section below. I would read and reply back on the same. Thank you once again for watching this. Looking forward to the next one very soon. Stay tuned. This is Mahaneet here signing off. Check this.